see if I messed this up here. Kick the case. Okay, after the really bad mix of yesterday, I played it anyway, and you might not be able to see me. Let me back this up a bit if I can. How about that? Alright, David Bard again. I'm going to do it as David Bard this time. If you wouldn't have glasses back then, I don't think. Maybe some kind of similar thing that some made to come up to help us include the site. This might be glasses of some kind. Regardless, what we have here is what was working kind of a 7 and is now self-destruct. And this one, I will include the lyrics. However, in the writing of the song, I do want to be certain to include the treasure in the melody. I'm not going to be singing much anymore, I don't think. What we'll be doing though is backing up to the best of my ability. And depending on what we do with the song, there's several possibilities. Now I'm going to grab the guitar back here. This will be a guitar lesson in 7-string guitar, where you're going to get some serious head strings. You don't want to do this in a drop diggy on guitar. Whoa, you'll need a baritone guitar. It can be done. It won't be as good with the 7-string. Particularly when you're doing this 5th position minor. When you go back to the original A7, don't know if I'll ever be able to reproduce that with arthritis. But it's improvised. Now if you notice what we have here, as I discussed in the previous video, is just alright, this is a trance. Let it go. Whatever you want to do. Go little keyboards here and there. You might disturb the trance a little bit though. You can also do that with the guitar. As I'm going to show you, it's just the original chord. The open A power chord. That's all I'm going to do for just a couple of minutes. To stop. I may discuss it a little longer, but we'll be on to the next video. I may do another A7 today. There's no telling, but we'll soon see what I'm doing. Guitar stand, we're in the hat, and I think I'm back. Let's see what we got there. Okay, and notice, before we go into the main ride, it can also be just kept up as a trance. First, just got the open A chord, A power chord, no thirds, you don't need it. It's going to be a third, you got to put a minor in it. The major, yeah, good luck with that. Can be done. Now, harmonics, 4th fret, 5th fret. You can also go with a 7th, like in the middle. Let me demonstrate. Can you see me? Handlebar is really nice to have here. We'll go to the 5th. And back to the 12th. Now just to have the 5th chord in there, go to the 7th. And then an accidental in there, and that's not in the typical musical sense. I didn't mean to do that, but it worked, right? I think that's enough. And post in the comments if you have any other questions, okay? Now what I'm going to do when I return to the song next, I'm going to break down the rhythm part. You're going to get to the original A7 that I did. Oh goodness, maybe 12, 15 years ago in there somewhere. In that little motel room I stayed at when I was just tearing up to St. Augustine. And that was when I had lots of events because they were celebrating their 440th anniversary. I was working at the museum there at the time when they reopened it to the public for the first time. And I believe it was 40 years. I had to search my history there. I don't do much of that anymore. Regardless, I hope you enjoyed that. And now I'm going to turn this off first to have kind of a stop in the music as opposed to just random. Let's see if I can do this. I'll be over here. How's that? Hope you enjoyed it. I'll try to get this up in a minute. Thank you for watching. Well, it might have to stop, right? Did it stop? I did. Or did I? Anyway, here we go.